Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This video is brought to you by Bootleg Aesthetic and a Budget. Okay, now this is all about keeping your work neat and doing neat drawings. If, like myself, you have a polite amount of autism, you appreciate neatness and precision. I like to use all sorts of tools to keep my work neat, to keep my drawings sharp. But what if we don't have any of those tools? Woo-ha-ha! Do not panic. I'm going to show you how using a sheet of paper, you can pull off some pretty cool tricks to keep your work and your drawings neat. Check it out. Alright, so imagine the scenario. You're sitting in class and you forgot your ruler. What on earth do? You do not have a straight edge. Well, we can get an old sheet of paper and just fold it in half. Yeah, that will give you a nice straight edge over here. Ooh, nice and crisp. You can fold it over again if you would like, so that it's even more rigid and thicker. To take your pencil, just pull your pencil along there. Bam! Straight line. Isn't that fine? Okay. Now, second trick. If, like me, you know it's hip to be square, but you do not have a set square, what can you do? Well, we can get a piece of paper, fold it in half again, as we did last time. Nice crisp edge. I like to use the tip of my fingernail to really get that nice and sharp. And then you want to fold it back over so that those two edges are sitting on top of each other. Point there. Nice, nice. Now, when you're folding this part down, be careful, because if you pull down from here, you can actually pull this sheet of paper on top down, and that's not going to give you 90 degrees. So just from the middle, push it down, work it up gently, keep it there, yeah. Crisp, crisp, crisp. And now we've got 90 degrees. And I did maths lit, but now my angles, man, check it out. Ooh, neat. That also follows. I wonder if we can do 45 degrees if we get these edges to meet now. I have no way of measuring if this is a correct 45 degrees. But if you're just doing quick sketches and you want to get it looking fairly neat, that's not bad. Okay, now, other trick. If you want to draw a nice, neat circle, but you are lacking in a compass, you can get a piece of paper. One which has been folded up is quite nice, quite good for this actually. And ideally using a pin. I'll make a hole in it. Then what we're basically doing, that's the center of our circle, we want to find the diameter. So say that it was there. Oop. This is going to be a center point on your circle, and that is going to be the edge or the circumference. Now get your pencil, mechanical pencil if you've got one, put it through that hole and all the way around. All the way around. Bam! I messed up a bit there, but a rather neat circle. So guys, use these tricks at your own peril, but they're just basic tips to keep your sketching neat when you're on the go and you don't have any tools. Alright everyone, well thank you for watching. I hope you found those tips and tricks useful. They're probably not the most precise, but if you're just on the go drawing or sketching, they should be useful. So now you know just how versatile a sheet of paper can be, and it can help you keep your drawings and your work neat. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the future.